welcome to Art at Home. Today we are going to make our own homemade chalk. Yes, you could probably buy this from the supermarket pretty cheap, but why not give it a go and make it yourself at home. It covers a whole bunch of different learning areas such as reading, maths, science and art. And the best part of this is you get to go on a Bunnings trip. So most of these things you should have at home. I've got a bit of tin foil, I've got some toilet paper rolls, water comes out the tap, food colouring, but you might need to nip off to Bunnings and get yourself some plaster of Paris. That's the only thing sort of extra that you might need for this one. If you don't have food colouring, I'm sure your grandma or someone like that has definitely got it from baking cakes and things like that. So the main trick with this one is you need a 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 cups of the plaster of Paris to 1 cup of water. Doesn't matter what size cups you use, just as long as you use the same ones. So the same ones for the plaster of Paris and the same one for the water. Alright, let's get started. So I just added another half a cup just to make it a bit thicker because it was a bit too runny before. Now it's nice and thick, ready to add our colours. Our 5 different colours which we just made. Probably want to let them dry a couple of days. So in a couple of days we'll have a look and see what they have turned out like.